starting off the heel, reinforce that second finger, drop into the groove next to the lateral side of the Achilles and move up until the Achilles starts to broaden and flatten. Using a key grip, so I'm using the inner side of my finger and thumb and just gently mobilizing the soft tissue around the Achilles. Pay attention to the foot position as well. You don't want the foot to be pointing into a plantar flexion, you want it into a neutral, slightly dorsiflex position so that the Achilles is a little bit tighter, and that helps you to mobilize like so. Now the third technique I'm going to show you is simply to work on the gastrosoleus complex, the calf muscles, because tension through the Achilles usually is attributable to tension in the calf. Making sure I've got a bit of wax, oil or cream on the leg. I'll put some links in the description to various massage mediums that you can use. And here I'm performing a petrissage technique where I'm gliding over the soft tissue and then producing a slight lifting effect between my fingers and thumb, and then I'm relaxing that and then repeating that on the other side, and then just flowing from left to right, and that's the petrissage technique. Here's another technique that you can add in. This one is called ringing, and it creates a shearing effect as you're moving the soft tissue in opposite directions between the two hands.